In this session we're going to look at how to centralize reps. At the moment I'm in company 001 and I want to, first of all, before we even think about switching on the rep centralization option, I want to show you the reps I've got in this company. If we say utility setup and module parameters and we click on the general tab, here at the bottom, second from the bottom, sales representatives, and you click on setup. These are the two reps that I've created. If I now go to my other company, my branch 1, and I go back to utility setup and module parameters, general tab, and I click on sales representatives again, and then setup, you'll see I've got no reps here. So what I now want to do is I want to say that for this company 002, please use the reps from company 001. Remember, these two companies must be on the same server, which means one of these branches will have to log in remotely or with a remote desktop program. Why would you use this option? If you've got, let's say we've got a branch in Cape Town and a branch in Joburg, and you have a rep that gets commission for sales they do in Cape Town, but often he's also in Joburg and he does sales there. So he will get commission out of both these companies. I'm going to say utility setup and company details and enterprise settings. And then I'm going to make sure I click on the centralize sales representatives option. We say accept and yes again. If I now take you back to module parameters and the general tab and sales reps, you'll see it will now use the reps from company 1. So now whether you go to data's maintenance and select a rep there for a specific data, or under the sales options under the processing module, whether it's an invoice, you can then also select a different rep. You will also have the rep selection under the point of sale. And that concludes looking at the centralizing of sales reps.